Alright, we're gonna see if we can get this one all installed. Put the box right down here behind this pedestal here, and put the CPE right up there and get over all them RVs right there. I can see the AP with no problem above all that. So let's get the ladder and start from installing the CPE, and then put a wire to it, bring it down and finish it. And then got to go to good old Lake Walk-a-Mall and see what we can do up there. We got some more stuff. Got 5 lots we need to tie in. Get started on it. Bury some cables. Alright, we got the CPE mounted. Since there's no bracket that we can actually mount it to a tree, it has to be on a pole, so we had to put a little pole up there to attach it to. Now we'll get the wire attached to it, run it down, mount it to the box that we're going to put right back there. Okay, we got the CPE plugged in. Now we'll come down here, run the wire over, put an end on it, and plug it in, set up their account, and turn it on, and they should be ready to go. See if we can get that done. Alright, we got the box, got the CPE wire over to the tree and up to the CPE. Now we're going to log into it and see if we can set up their account and all that good stuff and activate their account. So let's see if we can get that done. Alright, we got it all set up. Let's see if we get actually the speed we're supposed to have. 60. See if we can get to 60. There we go. 61, 62, 60. Alright, I think it's 4 up. Alright, do another one. No problem. 68. Should we getting 70 out of this thing? It's supposed to be 60, but I always give that buffer 30%. Alright, 75. It's ready to roll. Now all I got to do is put the lock on it, and they should be ready to go. All I got to do is text them their password and do it one more time. No problem. We got more than 60. Getting to 70 again. Thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, liking, and all that good stuff. Really helps the channel. It don't cost you a thing except a little clicks here and there. So we should be good on this one. So we can close this all out, shut this down, get the lock. There, I got the lock in my pocket. So we should be good. See you in the next one.